Hi guys, all right. We now have our two examples from the end of the notes. So for this one here, we want to convert our complex number to its three other forms. So first thing we have to do is label what form we're in. So looking at this, we have our number here plus our imaginary component. So this is in standard form. Since it's not a ordered pair and it doesn't have sine or cosine in it. So standard form. Looking up back at our flow chart when we are in standard form, it's probably going to be easiest if we go this way, like we did with our other one. So going here, let's go to rectangular. So to rectangular form, rectangular. We just have our A value here, and then our B value, which you can't actually see, is just 1. Okay, so remember your B value is the number that's multiplying I. It's not actually I, so your B value here is not I. Okay, so rectangular form is going to be root 3, comma, 1. Now, like we've had so much practice with before, we are going to convert rectangular to polar. So going from rectangular to polar, first thing that you should do is find r. Take your square root of root 3 squared plus 1 squared. This is the same as the one that we did in the original notes. Also, that's a really ugly radical. We have 3 plus 1 underneath the radical, which gives us the square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So our polar radius is 2. And then to find theta, it's equal to tan inverse of our B over A. So even though we have the same radius, we have a different angle because now we're looking for the angle that gives us a tangent value of 1 over root 3, which we know from our great unit circle knowledge is pi over 6. So our final answer for polar form is 2, comma, pi over 6. Now we want to go to trig form. So trig form, we take our r value, so 2 times cosine of pi over 6 plus I sine of pi over 6. And that's it. And then if we go through and we evaluate for our check, since we always love checking our work in math, going through, distribute the 2 in, we have 2 times cosine of pi over 6 plus 2 times I sine of pi over 6. We know that cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. Plus 2 times I times sine of pi over 6, which we know is 1/2. Cancel, 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 cancel. Root 3 plus I, which was our original answer in standard form. So, there's that. Sine. We can pretty much right away identify, all right, this one is true.